Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you people how to convert Google Docs into PDF. I'll be showing you people two formats. So the first format is you go to this print by your left hand side, sit here, print, then you click on it, then you go to this Microsoft print to PDF. You say you print here, save as PDF, then you save it. So you give the PDF your file name. You can change the name and save it. So the next format is just coming to this place where you type things, then you just highlight this and remove it, then you type export question mark format equals to PDF, then you enter. So you can see it has been saved automatically to PDF. You can just open your file here, then you see it, you see what you have saved. So that is how to change your Google Docs to PDF. Subscribe for more videos like this.